In this video, we're going to be talking about the best all-in-one community platform, all right? So basically, Skool and community is an incredible thing that works together, okay? Because Skool allows you to create this whole group, this whole community, and then you can go ahead and sell courses in that community, all right? Now, when it comes to Circle is also a great community-based software where you can start a community, engage with different people in that community, monetize your group, and then you can actually scale your business with different types of automations. Now, when it comes to interface and features, I would definitely say Circle is the better platform because just look at it. It's just much better and it gives you a wide variety of things to do. But when it comes to Skool, the ease of use that it brings you when it comes to creating courses and giving out memberships is amazing. And the best part about Skool is that it's totally free. Okay, that's the best part. Circle, on the other hand, is paid. Okay, you can't just start totally for free. There is a pricing plan that you have to go through, and it's a pretty pricey thing. For professional, you have $99. $219 for business and $399 for enterprise. So it's decently pricey, okay? But still worth using, and I would definitely urge users to use this for themselves. So in this video, we're going to be talking about online courses and how it can be sold on Skool. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the classroom section, and here we're going to click on new course. Now, once you click on new course, let's say I'm going to name this course bio, and you can add in some random description who can have access to this course. Now, all members in your community can access this, or only some members can access it, mainly meaning that a member who is specifically assigned to this course or members of a certain level. Okay, so I'm going to go with all members for now. Okay, you're going to upload a cover if you want to, and you're going to click on add. Now, once you click on add, what this will do is it will publish the course onto your Skool. Okay, and once this course is published, you can add new pages for yourself. Okay, so in those new pages, you can add different details, etc. So basically, that is how you are going to be selling courses on Skool. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. How to make money with Skool. In this video, we're going to be talking about Skool and how you're going to be making money with it in the easiest way. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the classroom section, and here you're going to click on new course. Now, once you click on new course, you're going to add a name and a description. And once you do that, you're going to go to this section where it says who can access this course, and you are going to go ahead to members of a certain level, and you're obviously going to increase the level to whatever level you want to keep it at. And once you do that, you're going to click on add. And obviously anyone who wants to subscribe to this course now will have to be a certain level, okay? And when they're at a certain level, as you can see, what's going to happen is that they're going to have to pay you to get to that course. And that is basically the main idea of how you are going to start getting money off of Skool. Okay, it's pretty simple and it's pretty straightforward. And also make sure that you go to the subscription section, and basically you can add a price to your Skool. Okay, so right now it's free. Okay, but if you add a price, you're going to need to connect your bank account, and what that does is it basically acts as a subscription. Okay, so yeah, that's the basic idea of how you're going to make money. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. How to grow Skool community. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be growing your community on Skool in the easiest and most simplest way. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Skool.com community section. Now over here, there are quite a lot of ways where you can grow your members in Skool. Okay, this is how you're going to grow your community. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to invite a few people in the start. Okay, so as we can see here, it says invite 3 people. So what it does is it takes you to the invite section. Now you can copy this invitation and you can send it out to friends and family or people who are actually interested in Skool communities, or you can even share it in different Reddit forums about Skool. So you can simply go ahead, write Reddit Skool forum, and obviously there's going to be different forum about Skool communities. Okay, so what you can do is you can go into these different forums, add in your link, and ask people to join your community. Now, the second thing that you can do is you're going to make sure to add a good description, set a good cover image, and make sure the posts that you write for your community are well developed and they look professional. Okay, so everything that people see in your classroom with courses to posts, it all needs to be, pretty good, pretty cool, and pretty professional. And that is how you can get people to grow your Skool community. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. How to set up a Skool community. So if you want to set up a Skool community for yourself, you came to the right video, because in this video I'm going to be walking you through the steps in which you can easily have a fully developed Skool community. So to start things off, to set things up, what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to invite a few people into your community. So for that, you're going to come to settings, and once you come to settings, what you're going to do from there is you're going to go into the tab where it allows you to invite people. Okay, so what you're going to do before that is you're going to make sure that you have a standard public account, because most Skool communities or most Skool accounts, they will not be standard or public. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on this section where it says invite 3 people. Now you can invite people by email, okay, or you can import them from different platforms that you have through a CSV file or different integrations, or the most standard way would be to copy this link and share it around with people so they can join you. So that's the first step, is, to actually invite members into your community. Then moving on, you're going to add a description for your group. Okay, so my group name is call test. You're going to add a cover, make sure, because it's really important to have a good icon and a good cover. Then you're going to make your own URL if you have your own domain. That's also a pretty fun feature. Add a description for yourself, add your initials, add a color, and make sure that it's a public community, because that is how you're going to get people to join you. Then once you're done with all of that, finally, you're going to go ahead and write your first post, and you're going to make sure that this post is fully developed with actual desire of teaching, okay? Because that's what Skool communities are all about. And the more quality you have in your posts, the more likely you are to set up a well-developed Skool community, and you're going to grow pretty quickly from there. So that's pretty much about it. That is how you're going to set up a Skool community. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. How to create Skool community funnel. In this video, we're going to be talking about Skool and how you can create a community funnel on Skool in the easiest and most simplest way. So, to start things off, if you want to create a community funnel, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come over to your community page. So from the community section, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the classroom section over here. You're going to create a new course. So let's say I'm going to give this course a random name. Let's give it a random description. And once we're done with all of that, we're going to click on add. Now, once we click on add, what it's going to do is it's going to bring us to a new page. So I'm going to open up this new page, and now you can go ahead and start creating funnels over here. So the funnels can be created in different ways and methods. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add some type of resource link or resource file, which could be a funnel. And you can create funnels through different ways. So you can go to System.io and create funnels, or you can go to any other website, but I would definitely recommend System.io because it has the greatest sales funnels. So create a funnel, add the resource link to this place, and that is how you can create your Skool community funnels in the easiest way. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. How to build a Skool community. In this video, we're going to be talking about Skool and how you're going to be building a Skool community for yourself. It's pretty easy, so let's get straight into it. Now, to start things off, you're going to come to skool.com, and here you're going to come to discover communities or create your own. So you're going to click on create your own, and what that's going to do is it's going to take you to a sign-in section. Now, in the sign-in section, what we're going to want to do is we're going to add an email, first name, last name, and password. So I'm going to go ahead and add my first name, last name. We're going to set a password, and for the email, it could be anything. You could go with a Gmail, you could go with a Hotmail, Yahoo, whatever you use. I'm just going to use my temp mail that I have, and I'm going to click on sign up. Now, once you click on sign up, it's going to basically send a verification code to your email. Mine is 7620. So I'm going to simply click on next. Now, once you do that, here it's going to say create your community, totally free for 14 days, then $99 per month, and you can cancel anytime.